we went through a little pelvic floor exercise in a seated position, an activation. What we're going to go through next is now in what we call a supine, or laying on your back position. I'm going to use the assistance of a yoga block for this. And it's going to be very similar to the exercise that we did sitting, but now we're just going to change the position. The reason why is we need that pelvic floor working in multiple positions throughout the day. So not just while we're sitting, but while we're laying, while we're standing, while we're walking, while we're lifting. In order for us to start to engage that in that way, we have to challenge those muscles in these different positions. So I have this yoga block here. I'm going to place that between the knees. I'm going to lay down on my back, nice and flat. And I'm just going to let my back and body, just relax. I'm not actively trying to turn on my core, I'm not trying to squeeze my butt. I'm just relaxing here. And we're going to try to do the same thing. We're going to try to stop the flow of urine. We're going to try to stop the flow of defecation. And we're also going to try to actively just lift up right dead center at the bottom of our pelvis and hold that contraction. So again, we're going to breathe in. We're going to exhale. We're at the bottom of that exhale. We want to squeeze that block gently and lift and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax everything down. Again, we're going to take a big breath in. We're going to exhale. At the bottom of that exhale, we're going to stop all 3 of those flows, lift and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax it. So you're probably going to feel the inside parts of your legs working. That's your adductors. That's completely fine. Those muscles help us to engage our pelvic floor. So as part of most plans, we're also working on strengthening some of those inside groin and adductor muscles as well. So your job is to practice doing that at home. I want to get 3 rounds of holding that for 5 seconds, 5 times. You're going to start with that. 3 rounds holding for 5 seconds, 5 times. If you have any questions on these exercises or on what pelvic floor physical therapy and health looks like for you, please reach out to us. You can email us at info@fitclubny.com or give us a call, 646-875-8348. I hope you find these exercises helpful. And again, please reach out if you have any further questions.